Hey guys, Tashi Delek everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Nepali style Newari food, which is very popular. It's called Choila recipe. Choila. I may be not pronounced properly, maybe Choila or Chola or anyway guys, so let's begin the recipe. So here I have some mutton. So here I'm using mutton actually. Basically they use beef, so which is make more tasty in this recipe, but we don't have beef in India. It's difficult to find. For the ingredient we need very simple. Here I'm making my way, so I'm using very simple way, and I'm gonna just cut into bite pieces. And they are making very different way actually, and they are grill. I'm gonna grill in oven. So they are making an barbecue style, and they're cutting the meat long way, and they just grill, and after that they cutting. But I'm going to do very simple way. So I already cut the meat, and here I'm using 1 teaspoon cooking wine. By the way, cooking wine is not necessary, but here I like to add a little bit salt. So just give it a good mix. So I'm gonna grill tomato also with meat, and some garlic. So we're going to grill in oven for this. Now I'm gonna spread the meat. Just keep it like this. It's become brown color. Can you see that? Now we're going to just flip it over. Okay, now I already flip it over all. Now again we're going to cook for 20 minutes. This time we're going to add in bottom 1 cup water, because this way the meat will not over dry. The inside keep in juicy, and outside will a little bit crunchy and nice golden brown color. So that's how I want. Okay, now we're going to chop the spring onions. So I'm gonna chop in big chunk. Instead of green onion, if you can go with garlic leaves. Now we're going to chop the coriander leaves. Next I'm gonna use 1 onion. And I'm gonna just chop the big chunk like this. To add some green chili. Okay, next I'm going to crush this shushan pepper. Just add pinch of salt. If you crush with salt, so it will easily crush. Now I'm going to add green chili and ginger. looks, it's outside is crunchy, so inside is, can you see, it's soft, juicy. So that's I want. So I already add the meat. Now next we're going to add spring onions. So here onion I just add for colorful, so this is option by the way. And finally we're going to add ginger, garlic and chili and Sichuan pepper mixed paste, half teaspoon chili powder, little bit salt. The salt is according to taste. You can add just a little bit honey. The honey is just giving the all balance, so I'm just adding honey, and that's not necessary to add. And add the tomato, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. So sesame oil will give good taste. And finally I'm going to add vinaigrette, 1 teaspoon. Fry this continuously until it becomes black color. Now this time we need to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and just turn off the heat, and it will go directly. Now it's time to mix this. So I already washed my hand properly, and coriander leaves. And now finally we're going to add lemon juice, and I'm gonna add this garlic also. And again wow, it looks so yum. Okay guys, so here is ready to enjoy. So here it is. I serve with rice, and here is our main dish. Cheers guys. This is really good. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video, and I really enjoy myself, and I will recommend you should try this. You will love it, and this making also very easy actually. So yeah, if you make by barbecue grill, then it will be more tasty actually. So yeah, you can make in many way. You can deep fry the meat, you can just boil, you can do shallow fry, many way you can make it. So today I just grill in oven, so that is more easy. So I thought to try this, and I really enjoy guys. I'm not lying, you should try, you will love it. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys, and see you in next video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and about more recipe guys, please share with your friends and family, and how it is let me know in comment. Bye bye.